that ties into that would be the next thing is that the medical infrastructure and the emergency services infrastructure that you enjoy is not as robust as you believe it is. And it's one bad day away from completely crumbling. Not forever, but for the hours that you need it, it might be. So just being aware that you can make this difference and that you might have to make this difference in a very small amount of time, I think is also huge. So I think those would be my 2 takeaway points: is don't take anything for granted and get a knowledge base to make a difference in a select number of cases.
Beautiful answer. And what would you want people following this now to do? How can we follow you Instagram? How can we follow, get the courses? How can we get in touch with you? Is your YouTube channel the best way to go? How would you want them to get in touch and follow your amazing work?
Yeah, so you can find me on Instagram. It's prep_medic on Instagram, or YouTube, which is just prep medic. I have on my YouTube channel, I have video, a couple videos that go through the entire Stop the Bleed curriculum, which is a Department of Defense program put on here in the United States for life-threatening bleeding for civilians. So that is a great place to start. I also have things on CPR, infant CPR, and choking that you can go check out. And I think that's a base level start for you. But other than that, I would look at Stop the Bleed courses in your area. A lot of times they are free. A lot of times fire departments and EMS agencies will put on quick CPR clinics at community events. Even like basketball games, they'll teach you hands-on CPR. So if money's an issue, go find one of those free events or find a firefighter or a paramedic that's willing to walk you through that. So I think that would be the next step, because videos are great. I think that's a starting point, but my content is only part of it. You have to go hands-on. You have to actually do it before that starts becoming a competent skill that you can reproduce. So videos first, and then find some hands-on training if you can.
Well, that's it for another week, and thank you for listening. It's now time to take what you've learned and use it to develop and enhance your life with the key points mentioned. Listen, try it, embrace it, use it, and crush it. Now's your time to hit that next level in your life. If you liked this episode, then please leave a comment on the show notes or a review of the show on your podcast platform. Everything helps evolve the show. Until next week, keep seeking the next level in your life.